The spreadsheet sewer editor command found in the network pull-down allows for global editing of certain aspects of your storm sewers. Now, the setup process with storm sewers is, of course, to define your sewer file, your SEW file, and your surface file. And within the sewer network setup, there's settings that include, under the pipe tab, the design selection of doing pipe junctions by matching the inverts versus matching the crowns. So we have a case here where we design by matching the inverts. We'll hit OK for that and point it out. You'll see that this sewer line going from 15-inch pipe to 18-inch to 24-inch was designed by matching the inverts. If we go to the network pull down and select Edit Sewer Structure, we'll say No Change and pick one of the structures here. You can see that the dock dialog comes up, and if I go down to the next structure and look at the invert out and invert in, they're identical. But notice we go from 15 to 18-inch pipe size. So therefore, the crown is bumping up at that junction. And this can be witnessed by panning up and looking at the pipe profile. Going from 15-inch on the first run of pipe up to 18-inch, it's the crown that's bumping up and the invert is matched across the junction of the structure. And later on we go up to 24, and again the crown top of the pipe is what is bumping up and not identical across the junction. So this can be edited through use of the sewer spreadsheet editor, which is also accessed from within the dock dialog by selecting the pipe profile option. If we go to the pipe profile option, that drops you directly into the sewer spreadsheet editor, and you can do the editing here. But we'll hit OK, or even cancel. OK is fine. And we'll close out and come back up and go to the sewer spreadsheet editor by selection within the network pull down. It's the same thing, just access distinctly. And here you can select all pipes and then look for the run of pipe that we're talking about, which is M1 through M7, M1 through M7. And if you select M1, you locate that run of pipe, and we can advise the program to match the pipe crowns at the junctions rather than the inverts. And as an edit action, there's many options here to edit all downstream pipes. For the action of this process to activate, it's a good idea to actually accomplish some kind of edit. So if we go to the very first up invert and maybe change it by a couple hundredths to 847.042, hit enter, and then save that. That will accomplish the application of everything in the dialog, including matching the pipe crowns across the junction at structures. So we'll hit save, and now it wants to know if you want to update your profile. So we'll say yes, and then we'll exit. And you'll see that very same profile that was previously drawn is now altered to match the crowns going downstream. And it's been redrafted, including right up to the 24-inch pipe, and the drop is across the manhole now through that editing process.